Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you intend to use. This matters because coupons bind to accounts. Once signed in, locate the coupon and check expiry or redemptions. Make sure it's valid. Now navigate to YouTube's paid memberships or the YouTube Premium landing page. Select the premium offer you want. Do not skip confirmation of account and code details. Once you reach the offer, click the Redeem or Enter Code field to begin applying the coupon. Now enter the coupon exactly as shown, case and characters matter, then press Apply. If prompted, add or select a payment method. Many coupons reduce price but require a valid card on file for residual charges. Make sure billing country matches your account's country because regional rules affect redemption. Once applied, read the summary. It should show discount, trial length, or reduced monthly price. If everything matches, confirm the subscription so the coupon attaches to your account. Finally, confirm subscription and wait for the confirmation email that reflects the coupon discount. That receipt is proof of redemption. Make sure your paid memberships page shows the updated price and trial end date, if any. If the coupon fails, first double-check expiration and account region. If still blocked, try redeeming in an incognito window or clear browser cache, because stored cookies can cause errors. If problems persist, switch accounts or update payment details, then retry redemption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.